Hold on, wait. Hi, this is Millennium Force, Alan Smith, and we're about 30 miles northwest of Waycross, Georgia. On our way to Waycross, we found this abandoned railroad line with an oil tank that looked like it had been a big wreck. So let's check this out. We don't know how long this has been here, but the tracks are no longer in use here. 30 miles northwest of Waycross, Georgia. Redneck woman.
Yo. Hey, people. They say you shouldn't touch the train because it's private property. I'm touching it.
Oh, whatever. Look at the abandoned tracks. These tracks go for about 30 miles, and no train looks like up here they run on it anymore. But it'd be a nice place to bring a speeder and place it on the tracks and cruise down the tracks, because these are not operating no more. Pretty sad that these tracks are going to waste. But look at this oil tank. This is creepy. I mean, the wheels are missing. Someone probably stole the wheels. This must have been a hell of an accident. Check this out. There's an opening where the fuel would go. Hello. Damn, I can almost smell fuel in that thing. Whew. Wow. That is strange.
Hello.
You never know what's in there. Something of an animal could be in there. Oh. Yeah, that was one hell of a wreck. Surprised the tank didn't blow up. But someone took the wheels. Okay, we're heading to Waycross, Georgia. It is April the 10th, and Folkston Rail Fest is tomorrow.
Woo!